Works really well. It's dog hair. But it sucks up right through there, and there's everything I just grabbed. So useful for small little messes, whether on your desk or, in this case, this is in between the cushions. A little gross, I know. We have 2 dogs. Okay, so I got this new little vacuum thing on Amazon, and I'm going to check it out. It's supposed to be, well, it was advertised as able to pick up ash. And of course I spill ash all the time because I'm knocking my ashtray over or whatever. So here we go. Oh, it seems to be working. Just takes a few passes. But it's got these little, brushes. And so it helps, scrape up the ash and then suck it up. Oh. So, yeah, that worked great. I'm happy with it.
I have bought literally the cutest creation on earth that takes AA batteries. It is a tiny vacuum for my desk. It's a little ladybug. And this part comes off and you put the batteries in. And this bottom part comes off and that's where you empty it from. It has a tiny little screen in it, but it is easily ran on this little on. Super quiet. I poured a little salt here, and you just and I can use it on here. I can use it to clean my keyboard and the drawers in my kitchen and anything else on my desk. Look how adorable that is.
Okay, I have given up on this for now. I'm going to ask my 40-year-old friend if she can help me click this back on. I don't really want to send it back. It's just too cute and I need it. I need a cute little vacuum. But this is really hard and I can't believe all the videos I saw that made it seem so easy to open and close. I just don't understand why it was so easy for people to do this. It's not easy. I am a senior, but that should have nothing to do with it. I don't have arthritis of the hands, and I should be able to figure this out. It's very frustrating.
Turn them on. Pretty quiet. Sucks it off, even in the groove of the table. Awesome purchase, especially with the grooves on this new kitchen table.
Okay.
You don't like the rat? I mean, that's kind of weird looking.
You know, there's no other.